Hello everyone and welcome to the Vlinkos channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your laptop battery won't charge to 100%. If your battery is stuck at a certain percentage or refuses to reach full charge, this guide will help you solve the problem. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Start menu, go to Settings, and select Windows Update on the left side. Click Check for updates and make sure your system is completely up to date. Then open Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and install anything listed there as well. Once your computer is fully updated, open the Start menu again, search for Command, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type powercfg-restoredefaultschemes and press Enter. After that, close the window and open the Start menu again, this time searching for Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Batteries section. Right-click each battery entry and select Uninstall Device, confirming when prompted. Once both entries are uninstalled, click the Action menu at the top and choose Scan for hardware changes to reinstall them. After they reappear, right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list of available drivers, choose the adapter, and click Next. Repeat these steps for the second battery entry as well. When you're finished, restart your computer. This should resolve the charging issue for most users. If the problem persists, you'll need to perform a hard reset. Disconnect the charger and any cables attached to your laptop. Once everything is unplugged, hold down the power button for about 30 seconds. Keep holding it even after the screen goes black. When the 30 seconds are up, reconnect the power cables and turn the laptop back on. Hopefully this will fix the charging issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this guide helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you in next one.